Hey Burke, it's Tony Dragoni with Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, here to give you a quick look at the car of interest, 2021 CLS 450, absolutely beautiful. This is in selenite gray with black leather. We're going to take you around, get you a closer look. A stunning vehicle. And there's a peek inside. Has the new M-Bucks technology, and it is loaded up pretty good, Burke. At the top of the list is the driver assistance package, which is our top safety package. Has premium sound, Burmeister sound system, has a head-up display, and something that we haven't seen in a while, augmented video. So when you basically stop at a red light, the camera's going to light up and show you the intersection on the big screen there, okay? Heated steering wheel, of course, although you're probably not going to need that in Florida. Heated and ventilated seats. And then a look in the back. This has the AMG line, and looking at the AMG wheels, also the AMG grille. Really nice sized trunk, and these will fold the seats down in the back. You do have some storage below. And all in all, just a terrific vehicle. So thank you for your interest. We'll get this video right off to you and be in touch real soon. Okay? Thank you, Burke.